to add material here. On a computer, it's the plus button here. On a mobile phone, this plus button is in the middle. I click on it. This Padlet is about me. The instructions are right here in orange. So introduce yourself, say what kind of person you are, talk about your hobbies and interests, and say what you're learning at the moment. Let's invent a character, and we're going to say my person, that is me. And I am going to look for a picture because these messages look a lot better with a picture. It's the orange icon everywhere. In here, I'm going to choose my title, my person, and choose a picture about me. I'm going to, I like this one. It looks very springy, like the spring. And I'm going to say here, I don't know, Mary, by Mary. You write your own name here. So I'm going to say, hello, my name's Mary. Okay, my name's Mary. And I'm from, let's invent and say, the UK. Okay. I'm happy, cheerful, a cheerful and active person. And my friends say, and there is a comma I need to add here, that's why I've got the a comma. And my friends say, I love nature because I love hiking. I really like walking in the mountains. For example, playing the guitar and let's say guitar and swimming. Okay, these are a few things I can say about me. And at the moment, I'm learning a new instrument. I'm learning how to play the flute. There is a comma after at the moment. Let's put it here. I'm learning how to play the flute, and I'm trying to improve. There's a comma before. My French. There you go. How about you? About. Right. I can change the color of this. So I can make it, I don't know, I'm going to make it yellow just to have something different. Right, and this is my new material. This is how you add a new message here. Let's see, and we publish. So the new message appears here. Remember the plus button. Remember to write the title of your text so that you can choose a picture. Choose the picture. Okay, after the plus button, you have to go to write the title, and after you write the title, you go to the orange icon. In there, you choose the picture. After that, you can write your name and then your text. People can write comments here. You can actually add a comment to one of the other messages or even to your own message. Okay. Um, I can go ahead and add a comment. Feel free to um, ask me questions. Okay, and then I press the button to publish the comment. Okay, so this is how you do it. Quite easy, actually. And this is it.